In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable offline access in Google Drive. If you've noticed your computer storing copies of your files or you're using a shared or low storage device, turning off offline access can help reclaim space and keep things tidier and more secure. Offline access lets Google Drive save recent docs, sheets, and slides locally so you can work without an internet connection. When you disable it, Drive will stop keeping those local copies on this device. First, go to Google Drive. Open your web browser and head to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to manage. If you use multiple Google accounts, double-check the profile picture in the top right corner so you don't change the wrong one. Next, go to the settings by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner of the Drive page. This opens a small menu with a few options. Click the item labeled Settings to open the full settings window. If your window is narrow, the settings panel may appear as a pop-up. That's fine, the options are the same. In the settings window, look for the section titled Offline. This section controls whether your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides are saved on this device for use without an internet connection. If you don't see the offline section, you might be on a device or account where offline features are already disabled by your organization. Or you may be in a view that hides it. Try expanding the window or checking you're on the main My Drive page. To disable offline access, uncheck the checkbox in the offline section. The label typically mentions creating, opening, and editing files while offline. When you uncheck it, Google Drive will stop syncing files for offline use on this device. You may see a brief notification or a prompt asking you to confirm removal of offline files. If so, follow the prompt. It can take a moment for Drive to remove files that were previously stored locally, especially if you had a lot cached. A quick note, this setting applies to the current device and browser profile. If you use Drive on another computer or in a different browser profile, repeat these same steps there to disable offline access as well. Also, this walkthrough is for the web version of Google Drive. The process can be different in mobile apps. That's it, you've turned off offline access, freed up local storage, and ensured your files are only available when you're connected. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same offline section and re-enable the checkbox. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your Drive setup clean and secure.